Hey everyone, and welcome back to Rinnai Expert Insights. I'm your host, Jack Murray, and today we have a special contractor edition. With me, I got Matthew from Elemental Plumbing, and him and his company have just installed one of the first Rinnai REP199 tanklesses, non-condensing tanklesses here in Central Florida. Now this is a non-condensing product with a built-in recirculation pump. How you doing today, Matt?
Good. Thanks for having me, Jeff.
Yeah, I appreciate you being here. So, what were some of the factors involved in choosing this product for this install?
One, the customer wanted an upgrade. They weren't getting hot water fast enough to their master bath. And the fact that they didn't have a dedicated return line, we were able to use you guys' crossover valve.
Yeah, that's a huge feature for houses that don't have a dedicated return and wait forever for hot water.
Most certainly. And they're super easy to install.
That's great.
Very, very reliable. The products themselves, the crossover valve.
Did the new warranty factor in at all into the decision of choosing this product?
Oh, definitely. I mean, you guys have a great product to begin with, so they're very reliable. They very sturdy products. But yeah, the warranty factor was definitely a big part of it. Cost savings. Just
awesome. Yeah. So just for those who don't know, that warranty is 15 years on a copper heat exchanger. It is 5 years parts. 1 year labor, but if you register that product within 90 days of the installation, we will give you an additional 4 years of labor. So essentially you get 15, 5, and 5 on that warranty.
On top of that, I mean, anytime I've ever had to call into you guys, it's been super fast. Your tech support is amazing. And again, you guys are just a great company. We love working with you.
Well, we like having you as a Rinnai Pro as well, Matt. Well, guys, check out Matt's install after this interview. I think you're really going to love this new product, and especially his work. Matt, thanks for being here, bud.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, man.